So once again, welcome to all of the participants from Colombia, Venezuela, Peru, Ecuador. So today I would like to present here my course coordinator, Dr. Pish, is at the Technical University of Dresden, and from Colombia, Mr. Gomez, Carlos Gomez is also here. If you have any question, let's say in Spanish, then you can also ask him about our course. I and Mr. Gomez is also the alumni. We have started the master's program. So although the Technical University of Dresden, let me go to the point of the Technical University of Dresden. It is a university of 190 years old and 600 full professors, more than 30,000 students. So it's a big university, let's say one of the top 3 universities in Germany in terms of third-party funding. And it's located between the triangle, or among the triangle, Berlin, Leipzig, and Prague. So it is in the eastern part. It is located here. So now I would like to play a small video about the Technical University of Dresden, about the campus. Then I will go focus to our.
I'm happy to study at one of the best universities in Germany, which offers so many opportunities for the students from all over the world.
I'm doing my master's on autonomous driving. It's an interdisciplinary topic, so I'm interacting with 3 faculties at the same time. At TU Dresden, this isn't a problem at all.
At TU Dresden, you can also study humanities and social sciences. I picked my degree program because I want to explore the social change in our society and understand the structures behind it.
I'm studying psychology at the Technical University of Dresden, and it makes me one of the happiest persons in the world.
I think Dresden has so much to offer, historically and culturally. And as a future history teacher, I hope to be able to pass on this interest and enthusiasm for my hometown.
I like studying at a university which prioritizes research. For that, it's the only way we can be prepared for any challenges we might face in the future.
I want to become a professor, and I can do it at a University of Excellence like TU Dresden.
So we are also from the Institute of Textile Machinery and High Performance Material Technology. Is one of the most important institute in Technical University of Dresden. It's under the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, and with 2 chairs, Textile Technology and the Development Assembly of Textile Products. When I focus about the research, then we have a research focus from entire value-added chain, starting from the molecular structure to the finished product. So we have different research group as well, from the textile chemistry, structure and process simulation, multi-material yarn structure for high-tech application, fabric structure, warp knitting, technology and robotics for composite, medical textile, sensor, measurement and actuator technology, lightweight construction, assembly technology, and so on. So it is a really a diverse research area where we focus on. ITM has a more than currently 370 students, and since 2005 we have a more than or approximately 2,800 publications, many awards, and 60 master students through this scholarship program have also have the nomination as award national and international level. Our institute offers different programs let's say the mechanical engineering or the degree program economics and engineering, and also the master's program, what I want to explain today. So the program name is the Textile Machinery and Textile High Performance Material Technology, shortly said MATM. It consists of 4 semesters. So 1 semester is 6 months, and the medium of language is German. So you need an entry language requirement of C1. It's a German language proficiency exam, or the entry exam for the university, or to start the master's course, or DSH or TESTA. There are different like IELTS or TOEFL in English. So there are also some entry requirement in German language. The course is full-time attendance study and research-oriented and consists of 2 years. One of the important points in this course is we have an excellent supervision ratio. So there are many colleagues and the employees or the scientists who can have a really frequent contact with the students to supervise them for any sort of problems or any sort of discussions about the course. We have a full state-of-the-art facilities starting from the machine, software, hardware for teaching and research. The student can choose also the master thesis at the end in the work frame for a recent or the running project. There is also the good opportunity to enter the professional life, even also to study further, let's say the PhD study. So let's come to the who can apply for the DAAD scholarship for this course, for this master's course. So anyone who has a bachelor degree or an engineer degree preferably from the background mechanical engineering, textile engineering, ready-made clothing, textile chemistry, or industrial engineering, and so on. So they are qualified, who has the bachelor, and who wants to apply for the DAAD scholarship needs 2 years experience, job experience, and also the German language certificate B1. So the scholarship is for 2.5 years. So the main course is 2 years. So they will come to learn German in Germany for 6 months to pass the entry exam, let's say C1 or DSH. So DAAD will also pay for first 6 months for the language course, but from home, the applicants have to pass a B1 certificate to start with the DAAD scholarship. So application deadline is every October at the university. For example, when you start the master's course in the next year, 2025, then you have to apply with the DAAD scholarship this year up to till August. So we will collect the applications documents till 1st of October. You can send us, scan the documents, send us to us, and you can also send us per post. But the important point is, it means in 2 months later, you have to apply if you want to start the master study from next winter semester. I mean, from next 2025 October. Yeah, so there is a possibility to get maximum amount of 7 scholarship. But the requirement I have already told you, you have approximately 934 euros per month for 24 months, and also for the language time. So in language time, you have also the support from DAAD. As I have mentioned, that 13,000 euros for the preparatory course. The full health insurance, travel from your country to Germany, and after finishing your our master's course, when you go back to your countries, so also the travel cost, everything is, most of the things is covered with this course. Although we have no tuition fees, but for the living cost, you will get from DAAD 934 euros for 24 months. So what you need to apply for the for this scholarship? So we need you need to apply with a DAD application form, and we need also the CV, your biodata, preferably in 2 pages, Europass format. There is a format in German language, letter of motivation, why you want to study here, German language certificate, preferably when you have from Goethe Institute from your countries, and also the recommendation letter and so on. Definitely also your academic certificates translated either in English or German. You don't need explicitly in German language. All the documents you can submit in English language. Definitely the German language you have to submit in German language. So the other motivation letter or the other your biodata, you can submit it in English, no problem. So now I would, in our discussion round, one of our alumni from 2019 from Colombia, now he is working, Mr. Carlos Gomez, now he's working in Colombia. So I would invite him to explain the experience, what he has experienced during his study at our institute. So please, Carlos, it's your turn. You see the questions, so you can start why you want to, why you have chosen ITM, how is your experience till now, and what's your suggestion. Probably you can also answer your question in Spanish, probably, so that we most of the participant can understand better. Please, Mr. Carlos.
Thank you very much, Dr. Hossain, and thank you for having me for this webinar. And I'd like to answer these questions. And I switch to Spanish. Acerca de mi experiencia en Alemania, realmente fue una experiencia maravillosa. Tal como está escrito en los folios que presentaba el doctor Hossain, pues hay una serie de beneficios al obtener la beca. Entonces, básicamente es fue toda una aventura, pero lo que sí quisiera decir es que yo elegí el programa de maestría en la Universidad de Dresden porque estaba enfocada relacionada directamente con la ingeniería mecánica y en alemán. Entonces esas dos cosas me motivaron mucho. Pensaba inicialmente la aplicación en tecnologías de membrana y refuerzos basados en fibras de carbono para la construcción de edificios, por ejemplo, construcción liviana en general. Pero al llegar a Alemania me di cuenta que el espectro es mucho más amplio. De hecho, si ustedes visitan la página del ITM, en la página ustedes pueden encontrar asuntos como, por ejemplo, los diferentes focos que tienen de investigación. Entonces, yo podría decir que pueden explorar, como decía el doctor Hossain, desde la aplicación en textiles convencionales, por ejemplo, el tipo de ropa, o geotextiles, también pasar a aplicaciones biomédicas o funcionalización de superficies, que por esas razones que están invitados o muy bienvenidos los que son químicos o son del área química, porque se transita desde el entendimiento de las moléculas hasta pasando por las fibras hasta la aplicación, que ya es una serie de procesos que pues incluyen la hilandería, tintorería y demás procesos que son propios de la tecnología textil, pero llevados ya, digamos, al estado del arte que hoy se maneja, que es, por ejemplo, el tema de maestría que dice que es de soft robotics, que es tecnología para fabricar robots suaves, digamos, robots blandos, que permitan un trabajo mucho más cuidado tanto para los objetos como para las personas. Entonces, ese fue como básicamente la experiencia. Well, I know I want to explain more about the issues regarding to the language proficiency, if it is okay for you. Okay,
please.
Yes, well, es el espacio que tenemos para, digamos, los que son becarios, que son 7 personas. Nos embarcamos en una experiencia de 6 meses para poder dominar el idioma alemán. Entonces, la recomendación es así, es muy importante tener un nivel B1, es esencial para poder llegar a tener un nivel de C1 ya certificado y poder presentar el documento para la matrícula, porque pues es un requisito básico para continuar con el proceso. Entonces, la experiencia mía fue 6 meses en Berlín aprendiendo el idioma alemán, digamos, empezando con un B1 y ya la matrícula antes de iniciar el semestre de invierno, como lo mencionaba José, en este caso para el 2025, en octubre del año próximo. Es importante que si están muy interesados, pues practiquen en lo posible, se traten de envolver para que, digamos, que tenga éxito, porque el nivel del grado de dominio del idioma que tengan les asegura una, digamos, una ganancia en cuanto a la experiencia, no solamente en la parte personal, sino también como colaborativa, científica, de investigación profesional, además, porque, pues, como está dicho, es necesario que tengan un par de años de experiencia para poder aplicar a esta beca. Then I want to say the attendants that if they have more questions about the experience or what Mr. Hossein has said, please.
Yeah, so thank you very much, Mr. Carlos, to share your experience and the procedure. I mean, from our side, at first, this is the information for today. So important is you can write us. I will share in the chat version that we can contact with you when you have any question. Let's say at first I am sharing the link what we have for ITM, and you can also write us